Hello everyone. So today we discussed about some practical questions, some practical questions of production method, of production method. So beta, starting from GDPMP, step number second. Starting from GDPMP, the formula is sales or value of output or primary plus secondary plus tertiary sector, the value of primary plus secondary plus tertiary sector minus intermediate consumption or purchase of raw material, or import of raw material, plus change in stock, formula is closing stock minus ओपनिंग स्टॉक. क्लियर है? तो बेटा ये आपका फॉर्मूला है. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 3 इज कैलकुलेट एन NPFC with the help of GDPMP. So goes from beta right to left. For example, we have to calculate FC with the help of MP. So MP से FC minus NIT. So we have to calculate NP with the help of DP to NP plus NFI है, and gross through net minus depreciation. Is that clear? बेटा ये आपका फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रोडक्शन मेथड. और बेटा प्रोडक्शन मेथड is also known as value added method. So beta, let take an example. Calculate national income and domestic income. For example, value of output 3000, intermediate consumption 200, subsidy 100, GST 500, FIFA 300, depreciation 100, private income 400. So beta, calculate national income and domestic income. So we have to put step number 2. For example, GDPMP. So beta, GDPMP is equal to formula is sale of value of output or P plus S plus T. So beta, here value of output is given in the question, so we have to put value of output minus beta intermediate consumption, purchase or import. So we have intermediate consumption in this question, minus intermediate consumption, and change in stock is not given in the question, so there is no need to mention change in stock because it is not mentioned in the question. So value of output 3000 beta minus intermediate consumption 200, and the change in stock is not given in the question, so we put 0 there. 0 there. So GDPMP is equal to 2800. Clear? So beta we have to calculate national income. So national income is also known as NNPFC. So beta we have to calculate NNPFC with the help of GDPMP. Formula create करो, MP to FC so minus NIT, DP to NP plus NFIA, and gross to net minus depreciation. So GDPMP is 2800. NIT, sir, NIT is equal to taxes minus subsidy. So tax is 500, subsidy is 100. So NIT will be 500 minus 100, 400 plus NFIA. Sir, NFIA is equal to FIFA minus FIPA. NFIA is equal to beta NFIA is equal to FIFA minus FIPA. So beta FIFA is 300 and FIPA is not given in the question. So FIPA will be 0. So beta 300 minus 0 is equal to 300 minus 0 is equal to 300 plus 300 and less dep. Beta dep is equal to 100. So dep is equal to 100. First you have write down the question and then you will see the solution. So 28 minus 4, 24, 24 plus 3, 27 minus 2600. And NPFC. But we have to also found domestic income. So domestic income is also known as NDPFC. So you have to calculate NDPFC with the help of you have GDPMP and you have also NNPFC. So whatever you want to put, either you want GDPMP or either you want NNPFC. So I mention NPFC here. You also mention GDPMP. It's depend upon you, but I mention NNPFC here. So FC to FC cancel, NP to DP. So minus NFIA or net to net cancel. So NNPFC is equal to 2600 minus NFIA is equal to 300. So 2300. अगर आप GDPMP भी इसकी जगह मेंशन करते हो, आंसर विल बी सेम. चलो आपको करके दिखा देता हूँ. सर NDPFC इज इक्वल GDPMP करके दिखाता हूँ. ये और है बेटा, ये और है. आइदर ये करो, आइदर ये. MP to FC माइनस NIT, DP कैंसिल, ग्रॉस नेट माइनस डेप. सर GDPMP is 2800. So mention 2800. Sir NIT is 400 minus 400. Sir dep 100. Answer 2300. देखो आंसर will be same. Either you mention NNPFC or either mention you GDPMP. It's depend upon you. I will send you some practical questions of production method as well as value added method, because production method is also known as value added method.